So let's take a look at all the papers that are included in the Your Paper Insider box number 15. Now this unfortunately is going to be the last box by Your Paper Insider because they are shutting down, and until then all the papers are 50% off starting April 15th. So you get papers from all the previous boxes and also any of the specialty papers that they have in stock, and all of them are 50% off. Now I have been using Your Paper Insider papers for almost maybe more than 2 years, and I joined their design team in October last year, which was absolutely stunning. So here you see we have a tiny little group, and Christy, Carrie, Susan, Davina, and me, we have been part of the design team since October 2025, and I can say that we all love these papers, and they are absolutely versatile and can be used not just for card makers, but if you're into scrapbooking or love papers in any form, this set is definitely for you. Now box number 15 has a collection of beautiful papers. It's all in almost every color of the rainbow you'll find here, along with some beautiful shimmering glittery papers as well. Let me walk you through each one of them. Now every box comes with some little surprise element other than the papers itself. This one has these little envelopes. These are white in color and there are 10 in a pack. These measure 3 by 3 inches, can be used to slip in tiny little notes in your gift baskets or your bouquets. I absolutely love them. I think I could also use them on my card fronts as well. Let's see how we use these. I will definitely have videos where I share projects of how I make use of these tiny little envelopes. Now, okay. So the first one is my absolute favorite. This is the green brushed metal double-sided cardstock. If you've seen my videos, you know that I have the same exact thing in gold and red, something that I absolutely love. This is definitely a lot thicker, so if you plan on doing some intricate die cutting, that would be quite tricky. I would definitely recommend using a shim or a white printer paper or any kind of thin cardstock. Run that along with your dies. It'll cut beautifully. Followed by that, we have this beautiful park green color plan cardstock. This is almost a beautiful mint green and heavyweight cardstock, perfect for your card bases. Followed by that, we have the evergreen Miri sparkle paper. Beautiful paper. Unlike the non-shed glitter cardstocks, this one is a lot thinner, and again, it's not the shiny glittery paper, it's more of a sparkle, a subtle shine that it gives to the paper. Next is one of my absolute favorite when it comes to any box. Now these are the Thai Unru papers, very lightweight feather-like paper with those beautiful fabric details are etched on that, and this one is the teal Thai Unru paper, my absolute favorite. Followed by that, we have the Aloe Curious Metallics. This is almost has a metallic like finish. It looks white here on camera, but it is giving out a beautiful shine. In real life it looks really pretty. Would be perfect for your card bases or your card fronts backgrounds. Next we have Aqua Portal holographic cardstock. Now usually whenever I get holographic cardstock, I like to have little die cut pieces of tiny little hearts or sequins or confetti mix. Now this one, I love the radiating pattern. I would definitely use this as a card background. Now these are my, again, absolute favorites from Your Paper Insider, the non-shed glitter cardstock. This is pale green. I have almost all the colors that they have, and I use them for many of my projects. All of these colors are so beautiful. It's non-shed. You won't get any glitter on your hand, which makes it absolutely perfect for your cards, so not messy. Next we have the Peacock Curious Metallics. Again, a beautiful peacock shade with that subtle shine and shimmer. Here you see how that light catches the shimmer right there. Moving on to the darker teal, we have deep sea teal cardstock, followed by the turquoise color plan cardstock, both of which are heavyweight cardstock and can be used as card bases. Next, we have another non-shed glitter cardstock. This is the lilac shade, beautiful shade of lilac lavender, and something that I love to pair with my pink cardstocks. For pinks, we have the orchid brushed metal. Now, unlike the double-sided brush metal, this one is just single-sided. We don't have that metallic finish on both the sides. So here you have a thinner brushed metal. This is orchid, a beautiful pink that can be perfectly coordinated with the lilac shimmer non-shed glitter cardstock. Next, we have the bubblegum pink cardstock, which is a heavyweight cardstock again that can be used for your card bases. Followed by that, we have the Aspire Petalics Mountain Rose cardstock. Now, this again is that beautiful metallic shine on it. It is a lighter weight cardstock, so can be used for delicate die cut pieces. Next, we have Virtual Pearl Curious Metallics, beautiful pearl white finish and that metallic glow on this. It is kind of different from the earlier metallic, the white metallic that you saw, Aloe Curious Metallics. Now, moving on to some brighter tones, warmer tones, we have some Meridian Yellow cardstock, a very bright yellow, again heavyweight cardstock, followed by Sherbet color plan cardstock, a lighter shade of yellow. Then again we have a non-shed glitter cardstock in light yellow. So right now we have 3 non-shed glitter cardstocks, absolutely stunning. Now this one really caught my eye in this box. This is the Gold Curious Translucent Vellum. Now I have seen a beautiful collection of vellum with your paper insider, but this gold vellum is something really unique, and I can see myself using these in so many different ways on my cards. And since I love my florals so much, I feel I would be incorporating this gold vellum on my florals as well. Followed by that, we have the Gold Curious Alchemy cardstock. This is more of a very warmer gold as compared to that bright gold that you usually see, more leaning towards bronze and copper. I absolutely love this cardstock, and this would give a beautiful finish to any of your vintage like projects. Next, we have the Champagne Diamond Glitter. Now I have this the diamond glitter in gold and rainbow, and this is something that I absolutely love when creating frames or using on bigger dies as compared to using them on intricate dies. This gives beautiful results. Moving on to some silver, we have the Lone Seed Curious Metallics cardstock. Again, that beautiful silver metallic shine on this. Another holographic cardstock. This is the Silver Holographic Bird's Nest. Beautiful shine, and just look at that, those lines on that. It's just like the name suggests, a bird's nest. Beautiful bird's nest. Last but not the least, we have the Oxford Linen cardstock, which is a very super soft card paper. It's unlike the solid colored cardstocks, the heavyweight cardstock. This one is heavyweight, smooth, but has the slightest texture. I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it definitely has the lightest texture on this. So those were all the cardstocks that we saw in box number 15. Please note that all the products, including this one and the products from the past boxes and any of those specialty papers on your paper insider, will be 50% off starting April 15th. So please take a look at the website, and I would definitely want to thank everyone in the Your Paper Insider team for coming up with these gorgeous papers and making crafting so beautiful. I would like to wish everyone on the team all the very best for the future. I'm really sad to see the company shut down, but here's hoping for the best for the future. Before wrapping this up, I would definitely like to share a few cards that I created over the period of time using some of my absolute favorite papers by Your Paper Insider. Now, this one was the most recent card that I created. We have that beautiful background on paper. This is again that tissue-like paper. And this bird, the glitter cardstock, all of these papers come from Your Paper Insider. We have one of that beautiful gold shimmery paper. Now, I created a frame out of that. Absolutely stunning. Now, whenever I recently started watercoloring and getting into watercoloring, and the first paper that comes into my mind is the watercolor papers by Your Paper Insider. It holds the colors really well, and I absolutely love how these cards turned out. I'm definitely a beginner at watercolorings, but this is a paper that I will absolutely recommend to anyone who is into watercoloring. Now here's one card that I created using the black glitter cardstock. Now I have had so many glitter cardstocks in the past but never had a black, and this one is jet black, something beautiful. It created such a beautiful silhouette here on my card. Now these origami papers were something really beautiful and stunning. I absolutely loved how they catch the light and how gorgeous they look. Here's another project using all of the non-shed glitter cardstocks to create this beautiful flowers and one of the metallic greens for the wreath. And here I created a Ferris wheel. Here the background is one of those curious metallic cardstocks, followed by some fun non-shed glitter and curious metallic in purple for the wheels. Again, mixing up some pinks and purples for my florals. Next, we have some fun use of vellum. Now here I embossed vellum to create this fun little card. I die cut vellum and then I did some heat embossing on vellum. So there were projects where I shared techniques where we could use your vellum. And don't forget that beautiful metallic stripe. Here again I created a wreath using die cut vellums and some beautiful green cardstocks, and again the gold is by Your Paper Insider. And this holiday card has to be my absolute favorite, where I cut out this bow using the red brush metal. Now this one was the double-sided, so here you see I did have a tough time cutting out those delicate lines, but I ran it through my die cutting machine a couple of times. I used a vellum tag, and that's a beautiful holographic you see here on the red. I absolutely love how this card turned out. So thank you for joining me today. I will leave links to all the supplies and all the discounts in the description box below. Please do check it out. Also, please note that all of those links are affiliate links, which means that if you shop using one of my links, I'll get a small commission at no cost to you guys. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.